Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So festive season is here and you should join me and show your spark using all Maybelline products. So यहाँ पे मैं Maybelline products use कर रही हूँ पूरे face makeup के लिए. Maybelline offers you a really great range for full face makeup. So let's get started with the makeup tutorial. So सबसे पहले मैं लूँगी Maybelline Fit Me Concealer just to color correct my pigmentation. So I prefer to color correct my pigmentation with a darker concealer. यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ Maybelline Fit Me 50 Cafe shade and I'm using under my dark circles, around my mouth area और जहाँ पे भी मुझे pigmentation लगती है I'm using it there. And then by taking a fluffy concealer brush I'm just blending it all. Once I'm happy with the blending, हम चलते हैं eyes पे. So for that I'm using Instant Age Refined Concealer in the shade Sand. So इससे मैं अपने जो eyelids हैं उनका base तैयार करूँगी to have a really good nice eyeshadow base. So इस तरह से लगा के I'm just blending it and then I'm setting it with Fit Me Compact और जो shade मैं use कर रही हूँ that is 128 Warm Nude. By setting it with a powder, your eyeshadows will not crease. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the City Mini palette in 5th Avenue Sunset. It's a very beautiful palette. इसमें 6 shades हैं, shimmery, dark and coppery tones में है ये palette, which is really good for this festive season. I'm taking a brown shade in a fluffy brush और मैं outer corners में लगा रही हूँ just like this and I'm blending it towards my crease. And I'm just concentrating the eyeshadow to my outer corners. Then I'm taking this really pretty rose gold shade और इसे अपने मैं fingers की मदद से अपने lid area पे लगा रही हूँ. It's a beautiful shade which is perfect for this festive season and I'm blending it with the brown shade I applied on the outer corners. And again I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just blending the eyeshadows really nicely. Inner corners में मैं एक light shimmery shade लगा रही हूँ from the same palette and I'm applying the same on my brow bone as well. And now for the liner I am using Line Tattoo eyeliner pen and बहुत easy है use करना. You can create wing eyeliners, graphic eyeliners using this pen and it is just so easy to use and it is very opaque and it is a really nice jet black eyeliner. If you struggle while lining your eyes, I think this is a must have because ये आपकी job बहुत easy कर देता है. It is so easy to use. Now let's come to the face. So color correction हमने पहले कर ली थी. Now it's time for foundation. For that I'm using Fit Me Matte Polish Foundation and I am in the shade 310. I love the fact that the foundation comes with a pump. तो बहुत लगानी आसान है, निकालनी आसान है. So I'm just dotting all over my face and then with the help of a foundation brush I'm blending it really well. Once I'm very happy with the blending I just go over with the beauty blender to have that really nice flawless and natural finish. I also like to take foundation to my neck as well to have that really nice even finish. And now I'm just gonna take Instant Age Refined Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. I love this shade for highlighting my few points of my face जैसे कि under eyes, bridge of nose, forehead, cupid's bow and chin. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush again and I'm just gonna blend the highlighting concealer really well. मुझे ये shade बहुत पसंद है because it just brightens my under eye area and other areas really well and lift my face instantly. Now to set this concealer, I'm taking the compact shade again in 128 Warm Nude and I am just applying over wherever I have applied the concealer. इससे क्या होगा कि जो मेरा concealer है अच्छे से set हो जाएगा. Now the base is done. I'm just gonna move to the blush. For blush, I'm using Fit Me blush in the shade 50 Wine. It's a beautiful pinkish mauvish blush shade which is very pigmented and I'm just applying over apple of my cheeks, a little bit on nose as well, and look how beautiful it looks. For the highlighter I'm using Master Chrome highlighter in 100 Molten Gold. You can never go wrong with highlighter in this festive season. It's a must have. So take some highlighter and just put over your high points of your cheeks and little bit on bridge of nose, cupid's bow and chin to get that festive glow. For the mascara, I'm using their new mascara, Sky High Mascara, and this is the first time I was trying this mascara, and oh my god, I was blown away by the results. This mascara is so good and so easy to apply. So I'm just giving few good coats of this mascara to my upper and lower lip. It's lipstick time, and for that I'm using a vinyl lip ink from Maybelline. It's their new launch again, and I'm using shade 10 Lippy. It's a beautiful lipstick. I've done a wear test of this lipstick. You can go and watch on my Instagram, and it's a glossy finish lipstick और ये बिल्कुल भी कहीं नहीं जाती. आप चाहे कुछ भी कर लीजिए, कुछ भी खाइए, जैसे मर्जी आप पूरे इस फेस्टिव सीजन को एंजॉय कीजिए. It will not go anywhere. And here I am all ready for this festive season, and I completely love this look, how it came out to be, and with Maybelline affordable product of range. And look at this lipsticks, it's totally transfer proof and kiss proof, and I'm all set for the festive party. And the best part about this makeup is that I can enjoy it anyway. चाहे मैं कुछ भी खाऊं, चाहे मैं selfies खींचूं, dance करूं, my lipstick will stay in place as it is, and it will not go anywhere, it will not transfer anywhere. So I hope आपको भी ये makeup tutorial पसंद आया. It is a very much party proof makeup. So that was it for the video. I hope you like this video, and all the product links will be available in the description box. Go check it out. So don't forget to subscribe me and follow me for more videos. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and stay safe, and enjoy this festive season a lot. Bye bye.